So today I am going to learn how to do my edges because clearly I don't know how to do them, and I was told if I do my edges maybe my eyes wouldn't pop out so much. I don't know what that means, but I love the constructive criticism, so I'm going to look one up on YouTube right now, how to lay your edges. Let's see, let's just click on the first one. I don't know if I have edges. I mean, I don't know. She's cute. Her name is Hazel Beauty. She's cute. Oh, she's so pretty. If I didn't have any edges, my hairline would start from back here. Oh my god. Okay, so she's brushing them out. But what do you brush? Like, I have so much hair. Okay. So we're using this side. Oh, maybe she dipped it in gel. I can't remember to hear her. I think this is working out too well. I don't know what to do with this. This is too long. And then I don't have hair right here. I can't get it to stay. I did a little loop thing. Oh my god. I have no idea. You know what? You're just gonna have to deal with my fucking eyes popping out all the damn time because this shit is not staying. They're so curly, so I don't know how to get them to stay down. Like, I've already put a bunch of gel on them. This one right here looks like I'm missing hair, like patchy. My sister's good at this. I'm not. So I almost got it. Not really, but I gave up just because I can't get them to lay regardless of whatever I put in on my edges, and I just think they're really curly or something. I don't know. I mean, they're kind of cute. I don't know. Somebody should come and lay my edges out because I have no clue. I just feel like it makes me look like I'm bald from like my sides right here, and when I sweat they come out on their own. So I'm going to try and learn, because you should never give up on something that you want to learn to do, and I'm going to try and learn how to do it, just in case in the future somebody needs their edges laid and I'm like, oh hey, I know how to do it. So I will learn, because I've already freaking brushed all my makeup off my edges or my sides or whatever. Look at this. I will learn, and I will come back and show you guys how I learned. But until then, my big eyes is all you guys are gonna see. So I tried it again. I don't think it looks that bad. They don't look that bad. So thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I love all the comments, even the negative ones. I just feel like if people want to leave something negative, go for it, because I always have something to say about other people that, you know, people that are actually doing something, not people that are just sitting around like they are clearly looking at YouTube videos all day trying to leave comments, which I find them fucking funny as fuck. Somebody said we look like, me and my sister look like men, and I told that bitch to shave her fucking mustache because I told her that was gonna happen. So now we look like men. But anyways, thank you for watching, and make sure you guys share, subscribe, and like, and follow me.